Hi, it's story time with Daddy AJ. That's what my little boy calls me sometimes. He's just 3 years old and he loves stories about animals. How about you? This one is called Eddie and Ellie's Animal Opposites by Daniel Nunn and Steve Walker. See, this elephant is Eddie and this elephant is Ellie. She has a bow on her head. And it's all about opposites. Do you know what an opposite is? Okay, what's the opposite of big? Small. That's the opposite of big. What's the opposite of fast? Slow. What's the opposite of happy? Sad. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. Those are all opposites. Okay, let's see what's in the book. It says, this is Eddie the elephant. Oh, yeah. And this is Ellie the elephant. That's right. What's the sound of the elephant? Do you know the sound? Okay, I'll try for it. This is my elephant trunk. That's right. That's the elephant sound. It says, Eddie and Ellie love animals, but they can never agree which ones are the best. You see, everything that Eddie likes, Ellie likes the opposite. Look, even here, Eddie is looking this way, and Ellie is upside down. Oh, there. They're opposite. One is up, one is down. That's another opposite, up and down. Here, what's that? Eddie likes polar bears because polar bears are big. Ellie likes lizards because lizards are small. You see the lizard crawling on her nose? And the big polar bear doesn't even fit in the book. What else is big and small? Look, I have something here. Let's try. Oh, what's this? It's a big zebra. Hello. Hi. Here's a big zebra. Wow, it's so big it just barely fits in my lap. And I have something small too. Here. Hello. There's a little rabbit. There's a big zebra and a small rabbit. Big and small. Ooh. Excuse me. Put you right there. Those are opposite, big and small. Ooh, what's that? There's a lion. Eddie likes lions because lions have a loud roar. That's right, a loud lion roar. Ellie likes rabbits because rabbits are quiet. Rabbits don't make a sound. They're so quiet because they have to hide from the lion. Can you do a lion roar? Very loud? Yeah, so loud. Good job. The rabbits are so cute and quiet. Eddie likes cheetahs because cheetahs are fast. Oh, see it running? So fast. Ellie likes giant tortoises because giant tortoises are slow. There's the big, slow tortoise. He moves so slow. If you cross the street, maybe it'll take him an hour. I don't know. So slow. Fast and slow. Those are opposites. Eddie likes ducks. There they are. Because ducks are clean. Quack, quack. Yeah. Ducks are so clean. They spend a lot of time in the water. Uh-oh. Ellie likes dogs because dogs get dirty. Ew, look at how dirty this dog is. Maybe it was playing in the mud or got splashed with something yucky. He's using his tongue to clean his nose. Can you touch your nose with your tongue? I can't. The dog can. Did I have a duck here? Oh, look. I do have a duck. Here. See? Here's my little duck. Quack, 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 quack. Huh? Quack, 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 quack. And here's the dog. Ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Quack, quack, quack. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Let's go. See you. Bye, dog. Bye, duck. Let's see the next page. What else are opposites? We have clean and dirty. Those are opposite words. Eddie likes giraffes because giraffes are tall. Wow, look at, and this giraffe is bending over his neck. But if he was standing straight up, it'd be way up here because he's so tall. Tall legs, tall neck. Taller than an elephant. It's true. Ellie likes toads because toads are short. Ribbit, ribbit, quack, quack. There's the short little toad. What else do I have? Do I have something else? Oh, here. This is an otter, I think. There's a mommy otter and a baby otter. Which otter is tall? The mommy otter. Which otter is short? The baby otter. See? The mommy otter is holding the baby otter like that. Swimming in the water. Let's see the next page, okay? Tall and short, and then... Oh. Eddie likes rhinoceroses because rhinoceroses are heavy. That's a rhinoceros. If you have many rhinoceroses, we say rhinoceroses, but this is one big heavy rhinoceros. He's so heavy and big. Look at his big horn too. Ouch. Don't touch it. Ouch. He has a big horn. What's the opposite of heavy? Light. Ellie likes lemurs because lemurs are light. Lemurs? Lemurs? Lemurs. Let's go with lemurs. Lemurs are light. Yeah, they can jump up the trees. They're so light and quick. They jump up and down. Heavy and light. Who's heavy? You or your dad? Maybe you are light and your dad is heavy. Eddie likes penguins because penguins live in cold places. Ooh, look, all this ice and snow here. So cold. What's the opposite of cold? Cold is hot. Yeah, that's right. Ellie likes camels because camels live in hot places. See, out in the desert, all the sand there, the sun is shining all day long. But this camel's okay. Drinks lots of water and it stores all the liquid water here in his back, so he can be in the desert for days and days without water. And he's okay. So, cold and hot. Then, oh look, Eddie likes snakes because snakes are narrow. Are you scared of the snake? There's the snake. Hello. I'll put it here. Hello, snake. It's my friend. This is a nice snake. Snakes are narrow. They're very thin and narrow. Ellie likes hippopotamuses, because hippopotamuses are wide. Yeah, they're so wide and big. Wide and narrow. Very wide. Do we have a hippopotamus here? No, just kidding. There's no hippopotamus here. It's too wide to fit into my doorway. And, oh, what's that? An elephant. Can you work it out? It says, Eddie likes elephants because elephants have rough skin. That means if you touch the skin, it's kind of rough. What's the opposite of rough? Opposite of rough is smooth. Dolphins have smooth skin. See? These dolphins' skin is very smooth. Oh, here's a question here. Do you think Ellie likes elephants or dolphins? Elephants or dolphins? Dolphins. Because Ellie likes the opposite of everything that Eddie likes. So Eddie likes elephants and Ellie likes dolphins. The rough skin and the smooth skin. Rough and smooth. That's opposite too. All right. Good job. That's the end of the story. Bye.